Today, we look at a hot small cap stock that has gone up by over 150% from April to May 2020. No, it's not what you're thinking. This is not a penny stock. In fact, it's India's largest exporter of finished granite and quartz. India, being one of the biggest exporters of both granite and quartz in the world, makes this company very interesting. Hi, I'm Sunny Ahuja, welcoming you back to Sun Stocks. If you're liking today's topic, do not forget to hit the like button, and if you're planning on buying this company after watching this video today, reply by saying a yes or no in the comments section. Getting straight to the point, the name of this company is Pokarna Limited. The company started operations in 1991. It is into three major business segments: granite, quartz and apparel. The company ships its products to more than 20 countries in Europe, Middle East and its biggest market, North America. Quartz contributed 68% to the overall revenues in 2019, with granite contributing the rest. Apparel is a very minuscule portion of the overall revenues, so we will focus our discussion today on granite and quartz. Granite is a stain-resistant and durable stone with grains that are large and visible to the naked eye. Granite is used in buildings, bridges, monuments, and many other exterior projects. Indoors, polished granite slabs and tiles are used in countertops, tile floors, stairways, and many other design elements. Pokarna has more than 75 varieties of granite which are sourced in India and also from Norway, Ukraine, and Angola. Important thing to note here is that Pokarna has its own captive mines for granite. Thus, it has backward integration for the granite sourced in India. The company has state-of-the-art facilities, namely 2 units of granites in Hyderabad. Pokarna also employs the most modern techniques for excavation of the stones. Majority of Pokarna's finished granite products are exported to the US, while unfinished granite blocks are sold to China. Today, Pokarna has become one of the largest exporters of granite in all of Asia. Moving on to quartz. Quartz is one of the hardest natural materials on earth, and its appearance is similar to that of granite. The key distinguishing factor of quartz is that they are naturally scratch and stain resistant and non-porous. The main application of quartz is for kitchen and bathroom counters, though it's more commonly used in jewelry and electronics. Pokarna has a wholly owned subsidiary known as Pokarna Engineered Stone Limited, or PESL, which houses the quartz business. This ultra-modern quartz factory is located in Visakhapatnam. The company has exclusive rights to use Brenton Stone technology to manufacture the quartz in India. Brenton Stone is based in Italy and is the market leader in engineered stone manufacturing plants. The company sells its quartz surfaces under the brand QUARTZ. Also, it is the largest exporter of quartz from India. During FY 2019, PESL started supplying products to IKEA in India. Under the arrangement with IKEA, PESL gives complete solution and service by undertaking on-site measurement, home delivery and installation, and after-sales warranty of its products and services to IKEA's customers. The company also intends to provide similar customized services to retail and other institutional clients in India. The Visakhapatnam quartz factory was running at full capacity in 2019, prompting the company to go in for a new facility for manufacturing of quartz surfaces near Andhra, which is ready to roll out as of April 2020. After a couple of years of sluggish growth, where revenues stayed stagnant from FY15 to FY18, the company was able to grow revenues by over 40% to 462 crores in FY19. This was mainly due to quartz exports to the US, which increased and made up 68% of the total revenues in FY19. Until October 2019, Pokarna was exporting all its granite and quartz to the US without any duty. However, on October 11, 2019, the US levied a 4.3% CVD and AD on Pokarna. Countervailing duty, or CVD, is an additional import duty imposed on imported products when such products enjoy benefits like export subsidies in the country of their origin. AD, or anti-dumping duty, is a protectionist tariff that a domestic government imposes on foreign imports that it believes are priced below their fair market value. Also, Later in October 2019, US-based stone manufacturer Cambria alleged significant errors in AD/CVD determination with respect to Pokarna. Hence, the US Department of Commerce increased the AD/CVD on Pokarna from 4.3% to 83.79% in November 2019. So what does all this mean? It's clear that QUARTZ is extremely important to Pokarna. As mentioned, it's contributing close to 70% of the company's revenues. With the increase in CVD to 84%, Pokarna's QUARTZ pricing has gone up by 50% in the US market, hurting its sales in Q3. As you can see, sales have dropped sharply to 62 crores from Q1 and Q2, where sales were in excess of 100 crores. Well, in terms of Granite, this is what the company has to say in its recent annual report. Natural stone markets are becoming more and more sensitive to fashion trends. Competition in natural stone markets is stiff, particularly from Brazil and China. In the long run, in our opinion, large growth may not be expected in the granite industry. The management goes on to say how granite has become a commoditized product and how high-end buyers abroad are demanding custom-made and special quality engineered surfaces, namely quartz. In short, quartz and not granite is the bigger picture as far as Pokarna is concerned. The fortunes of the quartz division are closely tied to the real estate industry. Majority of Pokarna's finished quartz slabs are being ultimately installed in residential and commercial units. The real estate industry in India, where Pokarna supplies to vendors like IKEA, have been struggling for the past few years. The US real estate market has also cooled down, as is visible by the sagging housing starts in the US. The COVID-19 situation has made life harder for the industry and in turn Pokarna. All hope is not lost as there are other applications for quartz. The quartz market is slated to grow at 5% between 2020 and 2025. This will be driven by demand for quartz sand in the petroleum industry and the demand for high purity quartz in the semiconductor industry. Emerging technologies in the development of quartz crystal will further provide boost to the industry in the short-term period. Also, China is up and running in April. As we know, Pokarna is supplying unfinished granite blocks in bulk to China. So, this part of the business should come back to normalcy sooner. There's a silver lining though. On April 29, the company gave a disclosure to the stock exchanges that the combined AD/CVD for Pokarna has been revised to 2.67% from 83.79%. However, the imposition of these duties is still subject to a final ruling by the US International Trade Commission known as the ITC. The ITC ruling is expected on or by June 11, 2020. At current market price of 108, Pokarna is trading at a PE of 4.9 times its FY19 earnings. Although this looks extremely attractive from a historical perspective, it is far from telling us that what lies in store for the future. Without knowing the outcome of the final AD/CVD on Pokarna, trying to make a future projection is futile. Hence, June 11 could decide the fate of this stock in the near future. Odds are pointing towards the AD/CVD going in Pokarna's favor, and part of that move has been already captured in the stock rally from 46 to the current market price at 108 rupees. On all other parameters, the company looks decent, be it the debt equity at 0.7 times, promoter holding of over 50%, the ROC above 15%, positive free cash flows, regular dividend paying company, and so on. For the risk reward to be favorable, I would advise taking a position near levels of 80, assuming 10 times EPS of Rs 8 for 2020 on account of COVID-19 and the AD/CVD implications. This share is recommended for high risk takers, and if the June 11 outcome is positive for the company, it can give multi-bagger returns from the current market price. Also, a position of not more than 5% of the overall portfolio is desirable. For more such videos, hit the Sunstocks logo on your screen and subscribe to my channel. Also, you can have a look at my other videos where I have covered fundamentally strong companies that are fit for portfolio investment. Until then,